There's a bit of light in my eye, right? This time we're using the XF18-55, another extremely random test with no external mic. We want to just see how it fares with the autofocus. And I'm using a Viltrox screen, so occasionally I'll look up. And to be fair, it really does seem like it's capturing me. Right, now it's on my eye. If I just get into a slightly better position, now I can see that it's actually tracking me pretty well. Hopefully I can show you that with the Canon that I'm waving about a bit wildly. So let's get some light on my eye properly. And there we go. I mean, it's not exactly amazing conditions. It's following my eye nicely. What I'm expecting with this lens is none of the clunkiness that you heard from the older model lens, the XF18mm. I do love that lens. I know it's well hated on the internet, but I love it. Nice, compact, nice image quality, f2. For video, yeah, as you guessed, not ideal. If that's the one you've got, you stick an external mic and you won't get all that clunkiness. You might have a bit of a slower experience with the autofocus compared to what I think this one's giving, but there you go. Another bonus with this lens, of course, is I can zoom in. So if I'm doing vlog style pieces to camera, I can just shoot wide, go close, no problem at all. Now, of course, if you're shooting in 4K, you can always crop in and then output to 1080p. That might be something I do going forwards. These are all tests to see how we fare. Now, I haven't added any external lighting. The sun is setting, so we'll see how we get on. This was shot in 4K, 24 frames per second, wide open, so 2.8, and then when I zoomed in a bit, it would have gone to, I didn't zoom all the way, so maybe 3.5, maybe f4, and yeah, I'm not gonna grade this all being well. If I do grade it, I'll let you know, but I'm planning to just throw it out as it is and probably put it online for you to, well, if you're listening to this, obviously I've uploaded it. Let's try a different lens.